Today, I'll show you how to connect NocoDB to N8N, enabling seamless automation and smooth data management. Start by choosing a trigger in N8N. This is the starting point of your workflow and can be a schedule, webhook, or manual trigger depending on whether you want automated timing or dynamic actions. Next, add the NocoDB node to your workflow. This node acts as the bridge between N8N and NocoDB. Select your credentials to allow secure communication. If you haven't set them up yet, now is the time to do so. Once credentials are configured, choose the operation you want to perform. Create, fetch, update or delete records, depending on your workflow goal. Then, map the fields from N8N to your NocoDB table. Accurate mapping ensures data integrity and avoids errors. Finally, test your workflow to ensure data flows correctly between N8N and NocoDB. Watch for any issues and troubleshoot as needed. And that's it. NocoDB is now connected to N8N, giving you a powerful setup to automate and manage your data efficiently.